Hey guys, this is Vlad from Almco Plumbing, and right now I explain you how to drain water heater if it's hose bib. Drain hose bib doesn't work. You see, it's clogged and it's so hard you cannot do anything. I'm already drained this water heater, and right now I will explain you how I do this. Okay, first what you have to do is turn off this ball valve. Second, this is hose bib what we have. The water just dripping a little bit. Make sure it's no pressure inside the water heater. You have to leave off all faucets inside your house. All faucets have to be off. And what you do, you take your pipe wrench, screw off, and already have pipe connected to hose. This is different trade hose and pipe, but just a little bit because you don't have pressure here. You disconnect this hose bit and it's maybe just a little bit water drip down, and you fast screw on this pipe, and after that disconnect this hose bit, hoses disconnected, and water start draining.